Here we have an Ingersoll ram 30 horsepower rotary screw air compressor. We have it hooked up to 230 volt 3-phase power. We're going to start it up here and show you that it works. This unit does have about 33,781 hours on the meter. It's got instructions in here to use this machine, but the most important thing you need to know is that unload switch needs to be pointed to unload when you start it, and also when you shut it off. Before you shut it off, you want to hit unload and leave it unload for a little while, and then you can shut it off. Otherwise, you're going to get oil coming out of your inlet valve. So we'll go ahead and start it here. That is an Ingersoll SSR-EP30 air compressor.